Well, it seems like कि लॉकडाउन के बाद हमारे मेकर्स ने पूरी कोशिश करी है नए कॉन्सेप्ट पे डिफरेंट शोज लेकर आने के लिए। वो कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि वो कैसे हमारे पोस्ट लॉकडाउन हमें काफी बेस्ट सीरियल्स एंड शोज दे सकें। लेकिन ऐसा लगता है कि गैंग्स ऑफ फिल्मिस्तान की एक ऐसी अदाकारा हैं जो शो का पार्ट बन रही थी आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग ब्रेक, लेकिन अब शी इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू नॉट बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द शो। Or better, it will be correct to say that she has been sharing how she's upset over the makers of the show. Well, हम बात कर रहे हैं गैंग्स ऑफ फिल्मिस्तान की एक्ट्रेस शिल्पा शिंदे के बारे में। Well, the actress, in a conversation with a leading portal, reveals that the makers are exploiting them by making them work over shift. She also revealed that पहले makers ने उनको कहा था कि कैसे the shooting will be done twice in a week, but the cast is shooting almost every day. Shilpa Shinde, who was popularly known for her character in Bhabhi Ji Ghar Pe Hain, finally made her comeback with this particular serial. Fans and audience बेहद खुश थे कि finally Big Boss winner अब हमें नजर आएंगी गैंग्स ऑफ फिल्मिस्तान में। लेकिन अब ऐसा लगता है that Shilpa has been encountering certain problems with the makers of gangs of Filmistan. Well, while talking about the same problem, this is what Shilpa has got to share. Well, the makers have lied to me a lot from the day one about the show. We have been shooting from 7 a.m. in the morning to 11 in the night. I don't know where these association people are. Why don't they notice this? How the artists are being exploited. They are always there to sabotage someone's image. But now when you are working 12 hours or more, nobody is raising a question. Artists get tired of shooting non-stop, as this time we are doing comedy that is non-stop in a daily soap format for 1 hour. We were told that we'll shoot for the show only twice a week, and we are ending up shooting every day. Honestly, we are getting tortured. well, अपने को-एक्टर सिद्धार्थ सागर के बारे में बात करते हुए शिल्पा शिंदे ने कुछ ऐसी बातें शेयर करी। उन्होंने कहा that Siddharth was quite scared of being slacked and further being boycotted from the industry. शिल्पा ने कहा, well, I saw that day. Poor Siddharth Sagar was actually in every gag in the other day. He was tired and had tears in his eyes. He was not saying anything because he wants to work. He fears being sacked and from the show. He will get banned or he will get boycotted. If you're operating a machine, even that needs to rest to function properly. How can they make the artist work in such a manner? Honestly, I don't think that the channel is even aware of the circumstances we are working in. I have always supported the team and have given my best. Well, not only सिद्धार्थ सागर, ऐसा लगता है कि शिल्पा शिंदे ने बहुत ही ऑनेस्टी से सारे कास्ट एंड क्रू के बारे में खुलासे करे। आफ्टर सिद्धार्थ सागर, उन्होंने एक बात करी एक्टर सुनील ग्रोवर के बारे में, जिनके बारे में उनको लगा था कि आइटली वो शो में नहीं है, लेकिन बाद में उनको पता चला कि सुनील शो का हिस्सा हैं। शिल्पा ने कहा, I had mentioned first only that I will do the show only on one condition, and that I don't want to work with Sunil Grover. This was my first term, but they lied to me that no, he is not there in the show. Later, I learned it from the outside world that he is a part of the show. जब मैंने उनसे सवाल किया, they revealed that the entire cast to me, and I was happy then. They again told me that Sunil has nothing to do with my parts and he will be doing something else. But honestly, they lied again here also. However, he soon joined us in the gags. पर सुनील ग्रोवर के बारे में बात करते हुए शिल्पा शिंदे ने कहा कि कैसे सुनील ग्रोवर पूरे एक्ट को ओवरटेक कर देते हैं, and it's not only the cast, it's about the script also. When he's around, you can't do anything. He takes over the entire act. We are never given a script. Our gags get destroyed, and we don't get to perform at all. I'm not making a comeback to stand behind a crowd and clap. They are claiming it is Shilpa's comeback. What I'm doing in it is not exactly a comeback. What I'm doing is actually standing behind. I'm raising these points so that the production house takes a note of it and works on them. These will help the artist to perform better in a healthy environment. Even I want to do shows, but just think about my fans who will be watching me after 2 years. They'll be disappointed as I'm not at all seen in the show. How can I term it as my comeback show then? Criticizing the work format of the production houses, Shilpa Shinde said, "You're going to telecast the episode wherever we ask for a script. They say it's not ready, or we're not in the gag. We're a part of the gags and we're trying to impose the act and we are asked not to say much. I'm not here to work like this after giving so many years in the industry." Talking about the work pattern, Shilpa also said कि कैसे ये इतना regular काम करना has been affecting her health. Shilpa said, "I'm feeling unwell and I have cold and cough, but they are not ready to understand even that. Only 2 days while shooting the promo, they maintained all the precautions. But after that, anyone is walking on the sets. So many writers are walking on the sets each day. Nobody is following to 7 to 7 guideline. Should I go complain about them?" That day after pack up at 11:20, I was returning from Filmistan and a police guard stopped me. and asked me from where am I coming. When I told him from where I was returning, the policeman told me that the shoot gets over at 7. So till 11 you were partying? I was shocked. I felt like recording the conversation but I did not. I felt like telling him to go and stop the shooting as the other cast members were still doing it. They order food from outside from us, and when we try to order online, they refuse to pay the bills. While talking about her producer Preeti Simons, this is what Shilpa Shinde shared with them. I have spoken to Preeti Simons and I've shared my grievances. They are looking into it and want me back to stay in the show. Now let's see what they will do. But I'm not happy with the way things are happening. Everyone has worked hard on the show and I don't want to jeopardize anyone's effort. If tomorrow I don't want to be a part of the show, I want it to happen amicably and on a happy note. Well, it seems like overall Shilpa Shinde is not happy with the experience of Gangs of Filmistan and the shooting schedule and the shooting patterns. Shilpa has been claiming it very honestly that all her requirements were not fulfilled. वो ये भी कहती हैं कि कैसे शो के जरिए 7 से 7 गाइडलाइन का ब्रेकेज किया जा रहा है, कैसे हमारे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस को वायलेट किया जा रहा है. Well, we feel in this matter Shilpa might be right, but there is always a flip side to a coin. We can only hope that Shilpa sorts the issue out because the fans are simply excited for Shilpa Shinde's return on the television screens. आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइएगा कि आप कितना एक्साइटेड हैं to see Shilpa Shinde in Gangs of Filmistan. Until then, stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the more updates about the Tele world. Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.